Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on this one. This is a food choppers. It's about like 10 liters of the units. And for the overall dimensions, we can see include the handlebars. They are about like 16.5 inches tall. And for here, we can see that you have a 2 speed level adjusters, the button right here. And when you twist it, you can open it. You will see they having a secure mount with the blade at its positions. And when you open this cap, we can feel they have a gasket all around it. And the inner side, they come in with the manual books from the manufacturers and the accessories. And they have a 4 blade spinners inside. We can see it's right here. And for this pole, they're using the food grade 304 stainless steels. And the diameters of the pole is about like 10.5 inches. And depth of the unit is about like 8 inches in total. And from the units, the manufacturer offered a 110 plug, the standard plug like this one. So that's what will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.